ये बाप क्यों बैठ करके समझाते?
Why does the father sit and explain this?
तो ऐसे ऐसे फिर होते हैं जो बस कोई कोई के साथ न पटे तो बस ढिंढोरा पिटवाते रहेंगे बच्चों के बीच में, यानी उनकी ग्लानि करते रहेंगे।
There are such ones that if they don't get on well with someone, that's it. They will keep proclaiming it amongst the children. It means they will keep defaming them.
अब उसकी ग्लानि करने से उसको फायदा ही क्या होगा?
Now, what will be the benefit of defaming him?
उसको तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा ना।
He won't gain any benefit, will he?
बाप कहते हैं कि तुम ग्लानि किसकी मत करो।
The father says, don't defame anyone.
बाप बैठे हैं उनको सुधारने वाला,
The father is sitting to reform them.
कि वो सुधारना उनके हाथ में है।
Reforming them is in his hands.
कोई ग्लानि वाली के हाथ में तो नहीं है कि उनको सुधार सके।
It isn't in the hands of the one who defames others to reform them.
वो तो और ही उसका नामाचार बदनाम करते रहेंगे।
He will keep spoiling his name even more.
तो जिसमें क्रोध का अंश होता है फिर उनकी ये दशा होती है।
So, this is the condition of the one who has the trace of anger.
बस ग्लानि करते ही रहेंगे।
That's it. They will keep defaming others.
अभी जिसकी ग्लानि जो भूल करते हैं,
Now, to defame the one who makes mistakes,
उनको सुधारने की या कहने की, अभी सो भी रहा बाप के ऊपर। वो बैठ के सबकी ग्लानि करते रहे, उनको फल क्या मिलेगा?
it is up to the father whether to reform them or tell them something. They sit and keep defaming everyone. What fruit will they receive?
गोया ला अपने हाथ में उठाते हैं,
It is as if they take law in their hands.
फिर उनके लिए कुछ न कुछ कहते रहेंगे। उनको सुनाया, इनको सुनाया, दर दर सुनाया।
Then they will keep saying something or the other for them. They tell this one, that one, they tell it at every doorstep.
दर दर यही बातें सुनाते रहेंगे।
They will keep saying these very things at every doorstep.
तो बाप का भी ये फर्ज है ना बच्ची।
So, it is the father's duty, isn't it, daughter?
ऐसे ऐसे के इनमें क्रोध है का अंश है और उनको कहें नहीं ये तो क्रोध है, इसलिए इसको भी छोड़ दियो।
There are such ones who have the trace of anger, and if they are told, no, it is anger, this is why, leave this as well.
क्योंकि ये भी भूत है एक,
It is because this is also a ghost.
तो ये भी बेसमझी है एक, बाप के पास भेज देना, ये ऐसा है वैसा है।
So, this is also a kind of foolishness to send such complaints to the father. He is like this, he is like that.
अच्छा, तुमने सुनाया बाबा को, जज को रिपोर्ट किया ना कि ये ऐसा ऐसा है।
Acha, you narrated it to Baba. You reported it to the judge, didn't you? He is like this.
ये तो इनका काम रहा ना। अगर खुद बैठ करके उनकी ग्लानि करेंगे तो गोया ला अपने हाथ में ले लिया।
It is his work, isn't it? If you yourself defame them, it is like you took law in your hands.
क्या उनमें से वो सुधरेंगे?
Will they reform like that?
नहीं,
No.
वो तो और ही बेचारे की दिल सुनेंगे तो ये हमारी गिला करते रहते हैं। तो आपस में वो उनकी अनबन बन जाएगी, खीर और लून बन जाएगा।
The poor one's heart will even more. If he listens to it, he will think he keeps complaining about me. Then there will be a dispute between them. Kheer, meaning sweet, will become loon, meaning salt all the more.
तो वो सभी बच्चों का फिर भी तो बाप बैठे ना बच्चे।
So, the father of all those children is sitting, isn't he?
ये बाबा कहते हैं डोंट टेक लॉ इन योर हैंड।
Baba says, don't take law in your hand.